Hey guys, it's Neil here with Chapel Gutter, and I got an extension ladder set up here. This is a 24-foot extension ladder, and we're gonna go over proper techniques and equipment for extension ladder safety. This is Extension Ladder Safety 101. First things I wanna cover is we have our 24-foot extension ladder here. This up here, this is called a ladder stabilizer. This is gonna get installed on the top of the ladder, and it leans either up against the house or on the roof. What the ladder stabilizer does is it has a wider area that leans up against the house or roof. And what that does is gives you more of an ability to reach a little further to the left or right, which makes being at the top of the ladder a lot safer. And then we have a leveler leg. This is an adjustable leveler leg. This one's by Warner. You could purchase these separately from your extension ladder. You can see I have these little attachments that they're bolted to the back of the ladder. And then you're able to put your leg here, and you can adjust one side of the ladder. So you can see we're on a bit of a hill here, and we'll have one of these leveler legs on the lower side of the hill. That way our ladder can remain straight instead of being like this. So I'm gonna start with my stabilizer here, and it just simply slides into the top two rungs of the ladder. And then I have a couple of pins here, and the pins just slide in. I like to go to the bottom rungs, though I'm not sure if it matters. You have holes both at the top and the bottom to where you can put your pins in. You can see how it just slides into those rungs. And then there's two holes here for different size rungs. I go to the top ones. That way this pin is tight against our rung there. You can see I have two different styles of stabilizers here. If you overlap them, you can see they are quite a bit different. This stabilizer here is a standard stabilizer. It's intended to be used for eaves. This stabilizer here, the arms reach out a little bit further, as well as they have this little bend in the arm. This is called a corner stabilizer, and this is used for placing the ladder around a ridge cap. To install your Warner leveler leg, you first want to go to the pin that's installed on the ladder mount and simply just place the leveler leg in, and then go upward, snaps it into place, and then you can go back with your pin and just stick it back into the locking position. To remove the leveler leg, you pull this lever towards you and then just push downwards, and you can see the grooves that those go into. We can reinstall it here for you. A trick to getting an extension ladder up is to put the feet up against a wall and then just walk it straight up. If you don't have the feet up against the wall, the ladder can potentially just keep sliding, and then you can't get the extension ladder up because the foot of it's just sliding along with you as you're trying to pull it up. Right now you can see it's a pretty drastic angle. I use that leveler leg. Now the ladder's 100% level. Now we need to adjust the ladder's height to get it up on the roof. We need to adjust this leveler leg just a hair. What I'm gonna do is pull up, put my foot on the release. There we go. I give it a nice test by standing on the bottom rung. I'm just doing that, and we look straight here. Now a really good test to see if your ladder's at the right angle, you put your feet at the foot of the ladder, and then you just put your hands out. And your hands should be at a very relaxed angle here. You don't want to be stretching like this. You don't want to have T-Rex arms. You just want to be just like this. This ladder is level, it's at the right angle, it is safe to climb. All of these feet have these rubber bottoms. That's for going on concrete or on flooring. But if we're in the dirt or on grass or rock, we can dig these feet in. You can see with those teeth. So we got our teeth dug in there and our teeth dug in there, and what that does is helps prevent you from sliding backwards. When you're ready to relocate the ladder, you'll position yourself underneath the ladder grab your rope, put your hand in a comfortable position just slightly above your head, and then I like to grab this third rung here. You can grab the second, that's pretty low down though. So I try to grab this third rung and I just pick it up just like this. Make sure to know what your surroundings are. You don't want to trip on anything, as well as when you're walking up a hill, you want to watch out for this front foot. You don't want to clip things. Your ladder will tumble in front of you. That's it. That's extension ladder safety 101. Thank you for watching. I hope you got something from it. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. Thanks, guys.